up, guys? It's Blu-ray here, back for Blu-ray 4K Thursday. And today's unboxing will be for a musical that was released back in January, and it is the remake to the classic 2004 Mean Girls. That is for Mean Girls 2024. It includes over 30 minutes of fetch bonus features, and it's Blu-ray plus digital HD. Front, spine, back. If you want to read details on special features. Blu-ray disc. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of Mean Girls 2024 on Blu-ray. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Certainly in the comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite musical movie of all time. Thank you.